Hey lovely people, welcome to Made by Yuma, your crochet channel. In today's video we are going to see how to crochet a beautiful wind spinner. So this is absolutely a delight to work with this project because it is so simple and it is beginner friendly, absolutely beginner friendly. All you need to know is the basics, very basics of the crocheting, that is the chain stitch and double crochet. So some 3 to 4 different colors of acrylic yarn. So the colors are of your choice, and we would need some scissors and a crochet hook of your thread size, that is yarn size. Here I am taking 2.5 mm, and we would also need some sewing needles towards the end of the project. I am taking one more color which would be the border of my wind spinner, as you can see in this video, and we would also need some beads to decorate the wind spinner. So let's get started by taking the tail end of the yarn and make a slip stitch by leaving about 15 to 20 centimeter length. I'm going to show you one more time. So just yarn over, turn the crochet hook upside down, and then yarn over and pull through. This forms a slip knot. Then we have to do 100 chain stitch here. So it's absolutely your choice as how much ever length you want the wind spinner to be. You can make your desired length. So here I have made 100 stitches, that is 100 chain stitch. I'm just going to cut another 15 to 20 centimeter long and then pull the thread. So now take the starting point and bring the second color. Here I'm going to bring the baby pink color and leave about 15 centimeter long, and then insert the hook at the back side of the chain, back side of the first chain. So this is the chain. You can see I have inserted a hook beneath the chain, and then bring in the second color, that is the pink color. Then yarn over, pull through, that forms the chain. So we have to make 3 chain and then 1 double crochet into the same chain space. So the 3 chains we made, that is considered as 1 double crochet. So similarly, into the next chain space, insert the hook and form 2 double crochet. So we have to insert below the chain, below the 2 strands of the chain, and then make 2 double crochet there. So this is the pattern we are going to follow all through the 100 chains, and at the end we will have 200 double crochet stitches. So continue to do this pattern, and I will meet you once I am done with 200 double crochet, and I'll show you how it looks like. So here I am completing the last stitch. I'm just going to make chain 1 and pull the yarn, and I'm going to cut the yarn. So now our second step is done. So now we are going to work on the third round. So for the third round we are going to take another contrasting color. So here I am taking the darker shade of pink. This is kind of magenta. I'm bringing in the yarn by inserting the hook into the third chain 3, and then I'm making a knot here. Then make chain 3, chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3. So this is considered as 1 double crochet, and then into the same chain space create another double crochet. So this is a second double crochet. We have to make one more double crochet into the same chain space, that is 3 double crochet in one chain space. So at the end of this row we will have 200 into 3, that is 600 double crochets at the end of this stitch. So here I'm gonna complete this round, that is round 3. So this round gives us more spirals here, because we are making 3 in each of the double crochets, right? So that is giving us more spiral shape, that is this wind spinner shape. We can stop with this round, or I'm gonna make it a little bit flatter. So I'm gonna introduce another color, that is the lavender color, so which would definitely suit for this dark pink color. So what I'm gonna do is just making a chain and pull the yarn. Let's introduce the fourth color here. For this round we will be working in the backward direction, that is we'll work on a single crochet stitch. Take the tail end of the fourth color, that is the lavender color, and where we ended the previous round, so that's where we have to start by bringing the fourth color yarn and make a knot there, just by making a chain stitch that will form a knot. So now we have to insert the hook into the next chain in the reverse direction, and then bring in the yarn. Now we have 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. So this is single crochet done in reverse direction. So we are going to make this pattern all throughout the 600 double crochet, and this is gonna give you a neater look for this wind spinner, and also the wind spinner will be little wider. So continue to do this pattern till the end. I will show you how it looks once it is completed. So at the end of the last chain, that is last single crochet, cut the yarn, and now I'm going to show you how to stitch the loose ends. You can use a sewing needle or just a crochet hook. Insert the hook into adjacent loops and bring in the thread. Continue to do this for 4 to 5 times, and then you can cut the excess yarn. So similarly work with other colors and cut the excess yarn. Now comes the decoration part. So take the magenta and lavender color and bring it around your fingers for about 20 to 22 rounds, and then cut the string, cut both the yarns. Now take 2 different color strands, that is the same color, and tie it up. hope you guys like this tutorial, and if you do so, please share it with your friends and family. And if you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified of all my latest videos. Thank you for watching.